back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be doing customer service through email and social media channels, like responding to those social media messages and comments. So it's going to be completely non-phone customer support. If you're interested in regular phone work customer support, let me know down below. I have found quite a few of those, but I try to share more of the non-phone jobs because that's what I see in the comments, that people are really wanting those non-phone jobs, or they already have customer service jobs and they're trying to get away from that phone work. But if you are somebody who enjoys phone work, let me know and I would be happy to share those. But without wasting any more time, today's job lead is from the company Elevate Labs. Now, they only have 18 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 18 reviews, though, they have a perfect 5.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home full-time customer support agent. This is for the United States only. It says you can work anywhere in the United States, no state restrictions, and you can be in any time zone as long as you can work a schedule that aligns with the West Coast working hours. So they want your working hours to be Pacific Standard Time Zone. And they are a startup company looking for somebody to just join their customer support team, being the customer advocate for inbound email and social channel customer support, just upholding their mission of world-class customer service. You'll try to do one-touch resolution through root cause analysis, so try to find out what exactly is causing the customer's issues and fix it the first time. So you'll have to multitask in a large volume of inbound contacts with attention to detail and ownership. So you'll have to multitask, maybe have social media open and email open, doing a little bit of both at the same time. Of course, you'll have to type responses, track everything in the system, and pay attention while you're doing that to identify any patterns in customer reports, investigate, test, and escalate those up as needed. They don't require any kind of college degree, just 3 years of some kind of customer support experience. They do want somebody who has 2 years experience with some kind of software technical support, supporting educational apps. Since this is online, you're going to be offering that tech support. Someone who's experienced with Zendesk and great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list actual pay in the job description. That'll have to be asked at the interview. Their job salary per Glassdoor has a wide range, anywhere from $38,000 a year all the way up to $62,000 a year. Pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.